Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off video pin downloads on your accounts on Pinterest, easy and quick. First click on your profile and now click here. Now click settings and now click social permissions. Now here you will find this video pin download, just click on it like this and it will be turned off, and that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.